Yes, so welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be passing through how I will change the background color of this image. Here we have the images of 4 people, and we want to effectively change that background. So let's start. I'm going to first say come to this layer, and then I duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. After pressing Ctrl J, now we have the layer such that in case we change the first layer, we are able to view the changes we have made in the duplicated layer compared to the original layer. So I've selected the layer that we have done. We can now do what we can do in order to change this background. So I'm going to first select the subjects. So I will come to select, then come to subjects. After After clicking select, Photoshop has artificial intelligence that can allow you to select the subjects automatically without you using your hands to do that. So after that, you can see, let me zoom in and you can get to see that these lines are showing how our images are being selected automatically. So now after this, let me zoom out. After this, you can press this hand uh, key in order to fit it fully on the screen. So I'm going to now come to the next step. I will come to create this layer. I will click here and then I choose solid color. I want to color it with that solid. So after that, it pops with this interface where you can have the color picker. Here you can be in position to choose the color. Like for example, now I would love to go with this color, and after that I will press OK. So now it has done the opposite of what we want. We want to change the background, but it has changed the image background. So we shall invert in order for the coloring to go back to the background and leave our image. To invert, we shall come to, we can press Ctrl I to invert, or also, but the simplest way is to press Ctrl I. I'm going to press Ctrl I to invert. You see, I've pressed, it has refused. Why? Because we have not selected the layer mask. So we shall have to come and select the fill layer, this one here. After selecting it, we can then now go to press Ctrl I. Boom, our image is already the background is already changed. So but now this background is not matching with the background that was originally there. So for us to change that, we shall come to image, the blending mode. We have to change this blending mode to multiply. I will come and choose multiply here. Now we see our background is already changed. So thank you. Please try this tutorial. If you find it important, give a thumbs up.